Hello everyone, in this video we will cover the exercises of session 6. So let's get started. We completed all right till here the pronunciation. Now we'll start with the exercises. So the first is orthopedics. Nerve pain, no. Specialty dealing with medical problems of the elderly, no. Inflammation, treatment of skeletal deformities. So option E will be the correct. Orthodontia, straightening of teeth is the right option. Neuralgia, neuritis. These both words are related but have like huge difference. So neuritis is the inflammation of the nerves, remember it, and neuralgia is nerve pain. As we saw that algia is the root word right here, which means pain. So you have to keep that in mind, the root words. Then it is geriatrics. We will read about this in the next session, but what it meant. One option is left, that is specialty dealing with problems of the elderly. So you can see it as the opposite of pediatrics. Moving on the next exercise, you can check the answers right here. Next we have cardiogram and cardiograph. These two words may sound similar but are different. Cardiograph is the instrument for recording heartbeat and cardiogram is the record like of heartbeat. So I hope it's clear. Next we have neurosis, psychosis and psychiatry. Like psychiatry is the treatment, it's not the disease. Treatments of personality disorder. Psychosis is mental imbalance and neurosis is emotional disturbance. You can check the answers right here. Next we have a gynecologist. It's true or false. A gynecologist patients are mostly men. It's false. A gynecologist is a female doctor, so there will be female patients. Ophthalmology is the study of eye diseases. True. Orthopedics is the specialty dealing with the bones and joints. True. Orthopedics is the study of skeletal system like diseases related to our bones. A cardiac patient has a heart ailment. True. I have told you all of this, like if you have just watched our videos like with full concentration, you will get all this. Answer some questions on your own before I answer. A person with a bad bite may profit from orthodontia. True. Neuralgia is a disease of bones. No, neuralgia is not a disease of bones. It's connected to nervous system and we saw neuralgia is the pain in the nerve, so it's false. A neurosis is the same as psychosis. No, it's confusing us. They are different but they may sound similar. Neuritis is inflammation of the nerves. It's true. Psychiatry is a medical specialty that deals with mental, emotional and personality disturbance. True. We saw this in the match the following. A cardiograph is a device for recording heartbeats. True. Cardiograph and cardiogram were two different things. Psychiatric treatment is designed to relieve tensions, fears, and insecurities. True. A doctor who specializes in pediatrics has very old patients. No, it has like young children, babies. So it's false. A geriatrician has very young patients. No, it's false. So it has just changed. It is just given the opposite. You can check the answers right here. Moving on. Specialist who straightens teeth. You can write orthodontist as we saw that. Nerve pain is known as neuritis. Medical specialty dealing with bones and joints. Orthopedics. Medical specialty dealing with emotional disturbance and mental illness. Psychiatry. Inflammation of the nerves. Neuritis. Emotional personality disorder. Mentally unbalanced. These two confuse us. So mentally unbalanced is psychosis and emotional or personality disorder is neurosis. Pertaining to the heart, cardiac means heart. Specialty dealing with medical problems of the elderly, geriasis. Instrument that records heart action, that records it, not talk it. So it will be cardiograph, not cardiogram. Record produced will be cardiogram. Okay, I hope it's clear. Moving on, we are all right, I think. Do you recognize the words? Specialist in female ailments, gynecologist. Specialist in children's disease, pediatrician. We have seen all the options. Specialist in eye disease, ophthalmologist. Specialist in emotional disorders, psychiatrist. Pertaining to medical treatment of the elderly, it's this. Okay. Straightening of teeth, orthodontia. Orthopedic is related to bone and optometry is related to measurement. Metry, the root word is here. Personality disorder is neuritis. Mentally unbalanced, psychotic. Cardiac is related to heart and neurotic is related to nervous system. Principles of teaching. pedagogy, don't forget it. Okay, moving on, we have, you can check the answers right here. Can we recognize the roots? So internus means related to internal organs, so you can write inside. Pados means children. Pedis means foot. Okay, agagos means study or description. Demos means what? Derma means skin, and demos means people. Hypo means hypodermic, like we saw epidermis and hypodermis is the upper one, epidermis is the lower one. Ophthalmologist is related to eye doctor, so eye. Oculus is basically eye. Ocular is another word for eye. Monocle, for example, in monocle, opsis, opticos, optician, same as eye or measurement. Metron means measurement. Orthos means orthopedist is a bone doctor, so you can write bone. Odontos means teeth. Cardia means, oh no, cardia means heart, as in cardiologist. Logos is the study, like we form gynecology like that. Okay, neuron is the nerve, neurologist. Algos is pain, don't forget it. Psych is like a disorder. Itria, that is in psychiatry, is the study or pain. Geras is related to elderly, so you can write elder. Moving on, what do we have in next? You can check this answers. We will begin with teaser questions in the next video. Thanks for watching.